Hi, I'm Jason Lewis, Midday's Technophile. OnePlus has now jumped the health bandwagon. It's probably a precursor to the watches and other wearables the company is planning for the future. So how is this new device? Is it worth looking into, or has OnePlus completely stuffed it up? Let's find out. The OnePlus Band is nothing fancy. In fact, it looks very simple and nondescript, especially when the screen is turned off. In the box, you get the device, a charging cradle, and some documentation. The default band is black and the material used is a matte textured silicone, which feels very nice to touch. If black is not your color, you can pick up a blue or orange strap for around 400 rupees. The bands are easy to swap and the entire unit can be removed as a whole and placed in the new strap. The main unit of the band does not have any buttons. You'll have to plug it in to turn it on. I guess not having a button has its advantages where it comes to dust and water resistance. The device has a IP68 rating and is rated for 5 ATM, which means the band is water resistant till around 5 atmospheres of pressure, which is approximately 50 meters underwater for around 10 minutes. You can easily wear this to the pool and monitor your laps, or probably even take it to a desert for a run. The health band monitors a couple of things, including your heart rate, blood oxygen level, sleep and activity. With everything turned on to monitor continuously, the device extracts more than 7 days of life from a 100 mAh battery. With the recommended settings, I'm sure you can easily push the battery to more than 15 days. The charging for the band is a little odd. You have to remove the entire device from the band and stick it in the cradle. The cradle is very tiny and has a custom design, so if you lose it, chances are you would have to buy an entire new device. I say this because I don't see the cradle for sale separately online. It's also a little annoying to have another little thing to care for. Fortunately, the battery life is really good, which means you don't have to charge it that often or for too long. At the very least, I would have preferred a cradle that didn't have a pre-attached USB cable on it. This reduces the chance of failure. The 1.1-inch AMO LED color display is bright and offers flexibility with its watch faces. You can make a custom one if you have any picture at hand. However, there is a limit to how many watch faces can be stored on the device, which is set to 5. So every time you add one, you will have to delete one of the older faces. Though deleting doesn't mean that it is gone forever, you can always add more from your phone. As with any activity band, the most important thing here is the software. It helps in making sense of all the metrics collected. The OnePlus Health app does a good job here. It collects the data and represents it in an understandable format. With the sleep monitoring, it gives you tips on how you can improve your sleep quality. The continuous blood oxygen monitoring is also very useful, something I haven't seen in this price range. There are also a few other software features that I liked. The camera shutter control is very useful. I really like the meditative breathing function as well. But the best function by far is Find Your Phone. Find Your Phone lets you remotely trigger the ringer on your phone from your band in case you can't find it. At just $2499, the OnePlus Health Band offers a lot of functionality. If you're looking for something cheap to monitor your health and don't mind the cradle, you can definitely go with this.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.